fairly well packaged, one of these inserts. And then we have the actual stove. It takes these little 1 pound propane canisters, has a very premium look to it. So you undo these 2 latches, open it up here, you kind of see what you get here. If you want to toast some bread or something, that's what that tray does. And that will slide up under here like that. This is the piece that the propane tank's gonna screw into, is over here on this side. So let's go ahead and light this up now. You wanna turn this counterclockwise. There we go, we got some flame. This is called the fine flame. Put a little oil in there. So it's already at 527 in that corner, so it's at almost 600 degrees in about that amount of time. And you can adjust the flame control, so I don't have to run like wide open like that. I can lower it down. Oh yeah, listen to that fry. And you see that melting the cheese right there? So it is working under there. I can see that it gets hotter in the back than it does the front, so it looks like you wanna rotate these around after a little bit or you'll just burn the back side. Oh yeah, check that out. That actually worked really well. I'm impressed. So it's about 2 foot wide by, it looks about like 15 inches wide this way. Easily to break down, easily to assemble. You can take this grate out for cleaning. I think this will be great for anybody that just wants something small and light. You can put in an RV, slide it maybe back in the back of a truck somewhere. Very easy to set up, cooks extremely fast. Everything looked really good on it. So yeah, that's all I got today on the Fine Flame cooking stove.